For pneumonia, you can use honey, cinnamon, oregano, eucalyptus, marami po. Pwede din po yan yung lagundi. Yan, maganda din po yan sa inyo.
What about for severe cough and colds with fever? Okay, I have already tackled this several times. The best is honey and cinnamon. Okay, why honey? Honey is the only food in the entire world that doesn't spoil because it has a low water content, and what it does is it absorbs moisture. So pag may mga bacteria dyan, virus or whatever it is, it absorbs moisture. And it is very good for an anti-inflammatory, it has an anti-inflammatory property. Okay, pag nilalagnat, if you have fever, the best is ampalaya leaves, okay? When I was young, I think I remember my mom was boiling some ampalaya leaves there and then making me drink the ampalaya. Oh my goodness, bitter gourd. My husband doesn't like bitter gourd. Yeah, so for colds, okay, you can have nasal drops. How do you make nasal drops? In a distilled water, you put like a couple or a pinch of salt. Konti lang naman, siguro mga 10 cc ng distilled water and then a pinch of salt, sea salt, preferably sea salt. And then you mix that and then you put it in the nose, drops lang po, 2 drops per sa ilong, butas ang ilong. And then you do this 3 times a day. So usually makikita mo, and garlic. Garlic, if you have cough, if you have PTB, if you have a viral infection, garlic. How do you do garlic? Okay? Dito sa ipin nyo, sa ipin po ninyo, tapos dun sa gums, you can put one clove of garlic. Okay? And some patient, they say that the fever, the cough, and the colds, it will be gone in a matter of hours.